The science of sound. Concept. Explore the basics of sound waves and how they are produced, transmitted, and perceived. Experiment. Create a homemade sound wave. 1. Blow into a straw that is submerged in water. 1. The bubbles will create visible sound waves. 2. Explain how the vibrations from your breath create the waves. Investigate sound transmission. 1. Place a ringing alarm clock inside a sealed container. 2. Gradually remove the lid and observe how the sound changes. 3. Discuss how sound needs a medium, like air, to travel. Key points. 1. Sound is a vibration. Explain that sound is caused by vibrations of particles. 2. Sound travels in waves. Show how sound waves can be visualized. 3. Sound needs a medium. Demonstrate that sound cannot travel in a vacuum. 4. Pitch and volume. Discuss how these properties of sound are related to the frequency and amplitude of the waves. Additional activities. 1. Create a homemade instrument. Build a simple instrument like a tin can drum or a rubber band guitar to explore different pitches and sounds. 2. Soundproofing experiment. Test different materials to see how effective they are at blocking sound. Visuals. 1. Use animations and diagrams to illustrate sound waves and their properties. 2. Show real-world examples of sound such as a musical instrument or a car horn. Engagement. 1. Encourage viewers to ask questions and share their own experiences with sound. 2. Pose thought-provoking questions such as, "Can you hear sound in space?" By making this lesson interactive and engaging, you can capture the attention of young viewers and spark their interest in science.